Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on Glassdoor, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and after that go to your profile, which is at the fourth icon at the top of the screen, then click on the My Resume. After that, click on the import resume so you can attach files a 5 megabyte limit. You can upload PDF, docx and so on. You can see there. And you have to import a file from your phone or from your computer. So my resume is uploading and it's done. So this is easy, and if you want to view or delete this resume, you can do that if you click on the three dots near your resume, and you can see the first option is view resume to delete or use this resume for other purposes. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.